Hi friends, welcome to our channel Something to Share. I am Neelam and today I am going to show you one miraculous product which will heal your cracked hairs like you never had them before. Sounds interesting, right? But before that, let's subscribe to our channel hitting that red button below and also hit that bell icon so that whenever we upload such amazing videos you will get notified about it. And it's free, so please do that. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now I will give you a short review of this product. First of all, this is not a sponsored video. I am doing this video because I love this product to the core. And I am talking about this beauty. It's a Last Naturals Foot Care Cream. I received this product in my March month's Glam Ego subscription box and I used it and it gave me amazing result. You should really try it. So, talking about packaging, it's a quite good packaging. It has a flip top cap which is of good quality. And about the product, it has a rose scent which is amazing. And we get 100 grams of product at 135 rupees, which is quite affordable. Also, tube says it is paraben free. It is 100% vegetarian, 100% natural ingredients, and it is against animal testing. So it's a big yay. And it has 30 months of shelf life, which is also very good. And it is hypoallergic, so if you have a sensitive skin, you can use this too. So it was a short review of this product. Now let's get started with the procedure. It is just a 3-step procedure. We require a tub of lukewarm water. Then we require a shower gel. Instead of this, you can also use a liquid soap or a shampoo. Then we will require a foot scraper. I got it in my pedicure kit. If you do not have the scraper, you can also use a pumic stone. You can easily get it in any of the supermarket. And the third product we require is the star of the show, that is Last Naturals Foot Care Cream. So with these 3 products, we are good to go. Now I will show you the procedure. So the first step is to add the shower gel into the water. We need to add a little quantity of the gel and mix it in the water, and then we need to soak our feet for 10 minutes in the water. Actually, I am not a DIY person. I am very lazy at doing things at home, so I am always looking for the options which are ready-made, easily available and affordable. And this cream serves the purpose. It is very affordable and it is super effective. So like this, we need to keep our feet in the water. Now it's done. And the second step is to scrape the foot with this scraper. I will show you on my one foot how to scrape it with the scraper. This step is extremely important because it will remove your dead skin from the heels. When it is done, we can apply a cream and it will be more effective because we have removed all the dead skin from the skin. Now I will show you on my second foot how to use this pumic stone. I got this stone at only 30 rupees in a local store. You can get it in any of the supermarket or you can also order online. Check the description box for all the links. You can see the color of the water. It has removed my dead skin as well as dirt from the feet. Now it's done, and now the third step is to apply a generous amount of cream. So apply it on your foot and massage it well till it absorbs in the foot. And for more effective results, you can also wear socks after applying the cream. You can see my foot. I do not have any crack heels now. It is just because of this cream. So it's very simple and easy, right? I did this for 3 days and it healed my cracked heel amazingly. And after that I used to only wash my feet and apply the cream and go to sleep. But within a week's time it healed my cracked heels completely, like I never had them before. And this problem started post pregnancy. I never had the cracked heel problem before in my life. But since I saw my cracked heels, I was very sad and stressed because I had them for the first time in my life. I used to search for the remedies on internet. I used to ask my friends, but nobody can give me a proper solution for it. And then I found this cream. It is just like a lifesaver for me. And it has worked amazingly. I will recommend this strongly. Though it is not a sponsored video, but still, if you have cracked heels, just give it a try. It's just 135 rupees, and it will cure your cracked heels like a dream. I just love these products. That's why I'm making this video, and I am recommending it strongly. Just give it a try. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.